42nd Intramuros Grand Marian Procession 2023 captured moment by Catalicong Litratista.
Led by founding chair Imelda O. Huang. We would like to acknowledge again General Romeo S. Bronner Jr., Chief of Staff. Nuestra Señora de Guía. Legend has it that one of the Legazpi soldiers found this image lying on a pandan shrub on the shore of Manila Bay in 1571. She was conferred the title La Inmaculada Concepcion de la Nuestra Señora de Guía. A shrine was built for the image in the place called Ermita or Hermitage. The Virgin was invoked by seafarers for a safe journey and was proclaimed patroness of Manila by the King of Spain in 1758. Acknowledging the Archdiocese of Manila, Archdiocesan Shrine of Nuestra Señora de Guía from Ermita, Manila, and Reverend Father Estrelito E. Villegas, the Rector and Parish Priest. Also in the acknowledgements, the delegates of Bota Flores and Capitana, the Banda Malabon, and Monsignor Rolando de la Cruz, Rector of the Manila Cathedral, for accommodating the original image to the main altar. Señora de la Paz y buen viaje. Correction, Birhen ng Kaysasay. Including infertility.